Hi, this is Shivani and I completed my post-graduation from Kurukshetra University. After my graduation, I searched for a data science course because I am interested in AI and ML, where I found ThinkNEXT Technologies Private Limited. I visited there and took the demo class where I really liked the way of teaching. Then I enrolled in 3 months course of data science where I learn about Python. Firstly, she taught me about basics of Python. Then she teach me about libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and then we started with SQL, Power BI, Tableau. Then I created a project which is automobile price prediction that based on AI and ML, in which I give the data as input and it predicts the price. And along with that, I also done some minor projects. My overall experience was good, and if you are interested in AI, ML and any other courses, then you can visit ThinkNEXT Technologies Private Limited. Thank you.